Hey everyone, hope you guys are doing great. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're making 3D spheres in Illustrator. Such a cool and easy tutorial. Let's jump right into it. First off, start with the rectangle tool. We will make it into a black fill color, and we'll remove the stroke. You're going to make a rectangle kind of like this. And here you're going to choose the color of the stripes you want in your sphere. So I'm going to go with a black and white look. So I'll make a black line, and then I'll duplicate my black line and make it white. I'll select both. To duplicate, I just held down the Alt or Option key on Mac, click and drag, and it'll create a duplicate. Now you can just press Command D and Illustrator will automatically repeat the last step you did. Alright, once we filled up our entire artboard, we are going to press Command G to group everything in place. We are going to open up our symbols panel. I have mine over here, but if you can't find yours for some reason, you can just go to Window and select Symbols. It'll pop up. You're going to click and drag your new symbol into here. You can name it just to remember all your symbols and press OK. Now you can see it's been added to our symbols, so we can just delete this. We don't need it right now. Next, we're going to grab our ellipse tool. We are going to make a circle. Doesn't really matter the color, but I'll go with black just so we can see it against this white background. You're going to grab your direct selection tool or press A on your keyboard to grab it. Click on one point and backspace to delete that point. So we're left with half of the circle. We're going to go to Effect, 3D, Revolve. This is going to make it into a 3D sphere, as you guys can see over here. Really cool. We're going to go and click on Map Art, and this is our sphere surface. We're going to click here, and in this drop-down menu, we're going to select the new symbol we just created. We are going to resize it. This works just like in Illustrator, so you can make it bigger. If you hold down the Shift key, it'll maintain and lock its aspect ratio. So you can make your lines bigger or smaller. You're going to click Invisible Geometry and press OK. You can also click and drag on this cube thing to rotate your sphere. So if you want it to be sideways, you can do that. And then press OK. And there's your 3D sphere. How cool is this? Anyways, that's basically it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to make your own 3D spheres with your own symbols and tag me in your art. I really want to see what you guys come up with. Yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye!